I'm going to show you how to add table of contents in Google Docs. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Google browser. So it could be anything. It could be Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, and many more. So after you do so, you just need to go on this website, docs.google.com, or if you have an app, that's good too. So once you're here, you can choose to open any old projects, or you can choose to create a new one. So anyway, you have options like Files, Edit, View, and Insert. Just go ahead and tap on this button. And now at the bottom of these options, you can see there's an option called Table of Contents. So this is exactly what we need. So you have an option for their formats too. If you want a plain text, you can choose this. If you want dotted, you can choose this. And if you want links, you can choose this. We're just going to tap on dotted. So as soon as you write something over here, they would automatically appear in your table of contents. So this is how you add table of contents in Google Docs. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.